What is going on today, YouTube? I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Sorry for the little sweat. I'm wearing a long sleeve for some reason. A little warm, okay? So you guys, first thing I have to say is thank you so much for the sticker sales. Sticker sales have been still going good, still going strong. You guys are awesome for repping the channel. Please, I have stickers left. If you want some, you can grab some. They're $8 a sticker. They look badass. We got the Ram skull with the turbo horns, and it says everything diesel. So definitely, if you want a sticker, please get you one. All you have to do is send me an email, everything diesel at gmail.com, and it's there $8. I'll tell you how to be able to pay for it, and then you know I'll ship it out once you do that. But that's not what today's video is. Today's video is going to be about pretty much explaining how does your fuel system work. Like, what is a lift pump? What's an injection pump? What's a rail? What's a fuel rail? All of that stuff. So I'm going to explain this stuff to you guys because, and it's not to insult anybody's intelligent. I'm no perfect, guru dude. But I feel like if you know this stuff, somebody can get help from out there. You know what I'm saying? So I feel like I can show you guys what this stuff is and what it means and how it works and whatnot. Okay, so I'm going to pop the hood, show you guys what the stuff I'm talking about is, and then I'll go from there. Okay, hey, do me a favor, if you like this video, please give me that thumbs up because it helps out so much. Thank you guys for watching. All right, that is much better. So first thing we're going to talk about is a lift pump. What is a lift pump? A lift pump, really all it is a transfer pump. It's the pump that's going to get the fuel from the tank up to your engine. Okay, so you might be wondering, why do I need an air dog? What is wrong with the stock lift pump? If you have a stock truck application, or if you plan on having the truck for not long, what I'm showing you back here is where the stock pump is, which is internal in the tank. There's nothing wrong with the stock, I say lift pump, but really it's just, I guess you can call it lift pump. But why would you want an air dog or a fast, okay? Reason being is because, check it out, you need consistent fuel pressure for your truck, your engine, okay? Especially on the 6.7s, they're not high pressure. Well, they are high pressure systems here, but towards the pump, they're not like that. It's really low system, 15 to 20 psi. That's the recommended range you are getting delivered to your injection pump coming from your lift pump. All a lift pump is a source to be able to transfer and pull the fuel up from the tank up to the injection pump. Okay. Now, what makes an air dog different than just a regular one? With an air dog or like an aftermarket lift pump, what you get is consistent fuel pressure. That is the key. You get air separation if you get an air separator lift pump. You can do single where it's just a pump, no air separator. But if you're really trying to get the most out of it, get you the air separator section. Okay, it's gonna have a water and a fuel filter separator in it, or a water separator and a fuel filter. Okay, the lift pump's gonna pump it up. It's gonna bring it up here to the front of the engine and right below your intake manifold, that cold thing. Right below it down there, you got what's called your CP3 pump. So that pump with that steel line, that shiny line coming out of it on the backside, that is your CP3 pump. That is your injection pump. That pump is from there is going to pressurize the fuel. Meaning, when I say pressurize, I'm talking thousands of psi, not just like 50 psi. Like, if you crack a line on a 6.7, there's a chance you can get killed. I mean, it even says it right here. Okay, it's going to pressurize the fuel. When it gets up to the rail, pretty much from there, the rail is just going to take it and it's going to deliver it to each individual cylinder bank, to its respective injector. Okay, your rail pressure is important, okay, because what happens is there's a fuel rail right back here, and I apologize for the lighting because daylight savings is a bitch, so everything is dark now before you want it to get dark. So back here, those steel lines back there are all connected to your rail line, or your rail, god damn it, your fuel rail. So why is it important to have that air dog in the first place if all it's doing is sending fuel to your injection pump? Well, you're gonna, like I said earlier, you're gonna get consistent fuel. You're gonna be able to have a more responsive pedal. When I installed, and I have a video of when I installed the air dog on my truck. When I installed the air dog on my truck, there was a instant noticeable difference in the pedal. I'm not gonna say it felt exactly like a gasoline vehicle, but it was definitely more responsive when I touched the pedal, and it's still like that up to today. I have stock injectors, stock turbo. Only thing I have in terms of real fueling is the lift pump, the Mini Max tuner, and the rail plug on the fuel rail. That's really all I have going for fuel. Air is a different story. Okay, so it's beneficial. Would I recommend a lift pump to somebody? Absolutely. Okay. Now you guys I get messages about people asking me what should I do first to my truck, and I already have videos on the top 3 mods for 6.7 Cummins. If I had a 5.9, I'd make the same video, but I don't. People always ask me stuff. Do you need a lift pump for a 6.7 Cummins immediately? No, unless you're trying to do like injectors, CP3 pump. If you're trying to do big fuel mods, you definitely want a lift pump to save your injection pump life, okay, and your injector lives. But it is not like a 2nd gen VP44 where as soon as you get it, if it has a stock pump in it, you got to rush out, get you a fast, get you an air duct. No, it's not like that at all. It's something where you will be perfectly fine with a stock pump, especially if you plan on keeping the truck stock. But if you're trying to get the best fuel, the best life out of your injectors and a better throttle response, absolutely go with it. Go with a lift pump. Get one all day. Now you might ask, which is better, fast or air dog? And I mentioned this in my review for an air dog, and I said, what do you like better, Lincoln or Cadillac? It's really up to you, honestly. Whichever one you personally prefer going with, you go with that one. Why did I choose the air dog? I chose the air dog because, one, it was a better deal because it was on sale. The one I found was brand new, open box, but they knocked off like $150 just because they opened the box. Everything was included, including the warranty. Had Fast had that going for them, I probably would have went with a Fast. On top of that, one other thing I noticed too that I actually really like about the AirDog 2 models and the 2.4Gs is that it has an external adjustable fuel pressure regulator switch, so you can adjust the fuel pressure of your AirDog, which is huge because I'm pretty sure with a Fast you have to use a spring, like take out springs or something. I don't know, you guys with the Fastest, let me know how that works. I don't know if that's old technology or what, or if they incorporated a set screw to where you can adjust the fuel pressure just with a screwdriver. So that is why I went with an AirDog. That is what an air dog is for, or a lift pump is for. If you plan on getting into the injector game, turbo game, pretty much any performance mods for your Cummins or a diesel truck, period, I highly recommend a lift pump. It should be one of your very first mods, along with head studs and stuff like that, protective measures and stuff. Plus, with the lift pump, you're gonna get more bang out of buck when you do the future fueling mods such as injectors, injection pump. If you go that far, you know what I'm saying, you're gonna get the most bang out of your buck when you do tuning and all that stuff. It's definitely gonna pay off, and on top of that, your mileage will go up a little bit depending on driving habits. Currently with the lifted truck, 5-inch lift, 35-inch tires on a 20-inch rim, I'm averaging about 17 in the city right now. So I'm pretty happy. I'm pretty happy with that. I only drive like 10-15 minutes to work, so it's not that long. But hopefully you guys, this video helped you out. I felt like I was all over the place. Let me know how I did in the video, trying to explain that stuff. If you have more questions on the fuel system, please ask me. It is what it is, you know, I don't have a problem. Thank you guys so much for all the support I've been getting, all the messages of, you know, confidence, and just, you know, you guys just being good fans. That's the easiest way to say it. You guys being awesome, good fans, and supporting the channel, supporting what I do, love my videos. You guys are awesome. If it's not for you, I wouldn't be doing this right now, what I'm doing. So thank you guys so much. If you did like this video, please do me a favor, give me that thumbs up because it really helps. And until next time, you guys take it easy, be safe. If you stuck it out to the end of the video, drop a comment down below telling me what video you would like to see next for the channel. And until next time, y'all take it easy, peace out, be safe.